Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important times of the day, and that is bedtime. Bedtime helps to set us up for a successful next day. When we get to bed at a decent hour, we generally wake up full of energy and ready to go and tackle the day. Not to mention, we don't have the stress of rushing about because we prepared ourselves to get to bed on time. Today, on day 17 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to start going to bed on time. This very night, make sure you go to bed at your desired time. How you figure this out is you count 7 to 9 hours back from when you need to wake up in the morning. And that is your desired time. If you're not sure where you fall in this range, aim for 9 hours, and when your body naturally wakes up before this, not only do you have extra spare time to enjoy yourselves and relax, now you will actually even have a big hint as to how many hours your individual body needs, and next time you will be even more successful. We go to bed on time every single night, even on the weekends. We shouldn't vary it for more than 30 minutes or so, and a lot of experts say that we shouldn't even vary it at all. But great, because now our bodies will adjust to this time, and before you know it, we will not even need an alarm to get up. Go ahead and write this on the evening portion of our 31 Baby Step printable, which by the way is completely for free, and you can get it down below. We're going to start implementing this along with our other habits. So pick a time for tonight and get to bed on time. Yourself would thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 18 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.